In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill pattern and color a shape in AutoCAD. By the end, you will know exactly how to add a clean solid color or a predefined hatch pattern to any closed shape, like a circle, rectangle, or custom outline. So your drawings read clearly and look professional. Start by making sure the shape you want to fill is fully closed. Hatching relies on a continuous boundary. If T here is even a tiny gap, the fill won't apply. With your shape ready, go to the command line. Type H or hatch, and press enter. This opens the Hatch Creation tab, which is where all your filling choices live. Inside the Hatch Creation tab, decide what kind of fill you want. If you are aiming for a simple, uniform look, choose solid. A solid fill is great for highlighting areas, creating bold callouts, or blocking out regions for clarity. If you prefer a textured or technical representation, open the pattern gallery and pick a predefined hatch. You will find options like box, concrete, brick, and sand, among many others. These patterns are commonly used to indicate different materials or surfaces in drawings, and they help communicate design intent at a glance. Next, set the color. In the Properties panel, click the color box and choose the color you want. This color controls how your solid fill appears. And for patterns, it sets the color of the hatch lines. Pick something that contrasts well with your background and surrounding geometry, so the hatch is easy to see. If you are working to a standard, match the color that suits your layer or drawing convention. Now apply the fill. Simply click inside the closed shape you want to hatch. AutoCAD will preview the result immediately. If nothing shows up, zoom in and confirm the boundary is closed. A small gap is the most common reason a hatch won't appear. If the preview looks good, you are set. When you are satisfied, finish the command by pressing Enter or clicking Close Hatch Creation. Your hatch is now part of the drawing and will behave like a single object you can select, move, or modify later if needed. That's it. Thanks for watching.